In this video, I will show you how to delete Discord server. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're here on Discord on my PC. Now to do this, what you want to do is come to the server menu on the left hand side, and you just want to go ahead and locate the server that you want to delete. So before we continue, I just want to mention you can only delete servers that you own, or if you have the appropriate permissions, you will also be able to delete a server. So in this example, you can see I've got a ton of different servers on the left hand side, and I've created one for this tutorial called test server. So what you want to do is click onto the server itself to come into the server, and from here you want to come up to the top left hand corner and you can see the test server here. So if you click onto this is going to bring up a drop down menu, and from here you want to click onto server settings. Next, what you need to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and right down towards the bottom you're going to see the option to delete server. So what you want to do is give that a click. Now to go ahead and confirm this, you need to actually enter the server name exactly as it's named, including any capital letters and numbers and things like that. So as you can see, it says, "Are you sure you want to delete test server? This action cannot be undone." So you'll notice for test, this is all in capital letters. So we want to make sure that we enter this exactly as it is named. So we're going to enter it just like this. Then what you want to do is press the red delete server button just here. And as you can see, that's going to go ahead and delete the Discord server. So that's how to delete Discord server. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.